Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can feed the angry plant and grow a garden game of roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Easter update finally has been released in Grow a Garden, and this is a very cool update. And then if you want to feed the angry plant, just go to this plant and you're going to talk to him, and you need to feed him with the plant that he needs. And for today, this plant needs the Easter candy carrot. Okay, wait, let me click on what are you. Okay, angry plant, feed me the Easter plants I want every day. I'll give you Easter seeds for your main garden. Okay, and for today, we need Easter candy carrots. So I'm going to feed him. Alright, this is my carrot and I'm going to submit this plant. We need the carrot atlas with 0.27 weight. I'm going to click on take this plant. Okay. Okay guys, I've got the Easter seed pack and I'm going to open it. Let's see what we have. Candy carrot. Okay, fine. Next, we get sugar melon. And we can only plant this seed on the normal garden. Okay, let's try to plant here. Okay, this Easter seed is meant for the normal garden. Okay guys, and that's how we can feed the angry plant to get Easter seed pack and grow a garden game of roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.